if swallowing has become painful or scary for you or someone you love. These soft foods could make eating enjoyable again. Hello guys, and welcome back to the Elderly Care YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about something incredibly important for our beloved seniors: finding the right foods when swallowing becomes a challenge. This condition, known as dysphagia, can make mealtimes stressful, but with the right choices, we can ensure they get the nutrition they need while still enjoying their food. So, let's dive into some of the best soft foods that are both safe and delicious. First up, let's talk about breakfast. A warm bowl of oatmeal or cream of wheat is a fantastic start to the day. These are naturally soft and can be thinned with milk or water to get the perfect consistency. For a nutritional boost, try stirring in some smooth applesauce or a spoonful of protein powder. Another great option is scrambled eggs. When cooked slowly and kept very moist, they're incredibly easy to swallow and packed with protein to help maintain muscle mass. Just be sure to avoid any hard, brown bits. Moving on to lunch and dinner, pureed soups are a lifesaver. Think creamy tomato, butternut squash, or potato leek. They're hydrating, easy to season, and you can blend in cooked vegetables like carrots or spinach for extra vitamins. Just make sure the soup is completely smooth with no chunks. Another wonderful main course is mashed potatoes. They're a classic comfort food for a reason. You can enrich them with butter, cream, or even some pureed cauliflower to sneak in more nutrients. Pair them with soft-cooked, flaked fish like cod or salmon, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. When it comes to fruits and vegetables, it's all about the preparation. Steaming or boiling vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and peas until they are very tender makes them easy to mash or puree. For fruits, ripe bananas are perfect as they are, and you can blend other fruits like peaches, pears, and berries into a smooth puree or smoothie. Avocados are another powerhouse food, naturally soft, creamy, and full of healthy fats and fiber. You can mash them up and serve them plain or mixed with other soft foods. For snacks and desserts, there are plenty of delightful options. Yogurt, pudding, and mousse are excellent choices because they are already soft and require no chewing. Just be sure to choose varieties without any chunks of fruit or granola. Custards and smooth ice cream can also be a wonderful treat, providing both calories and enjoyment. Applesauce is a classic for a reason: it's sweet, easy to swallow, and can be bought pre-made or easily prepared at home. A quick but important note on food thickeners. For some individuals, even thin liquids can be difficult to swallow. In these cases, a doctor or speech therapist might recommend using a commercial thickener to adjust the consistency of drinks and pureed foods to a safer level, like nectar thick or honey thick. Always follow professional medical advice on this. It's crucial to create a safe and enjoyable eating experience. Remember, mealtimes should be a source of comfort and pleasure, not anxiety. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these ideas help you or your loved ones navigate mealtimes more easily. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on senior health and wellness. Elderly Care empowers 40+ seniors' healthy aging habits, senior health tips, and nutrition for senior and positive living.